Where are we in this trade battle between China and the U.S.? Is President Trump caving on certain issues or standing firm?
Well, it changes almost daily. I've never seen anything quite like this. It's been very incoherent, but I do think he wants a deal. I think he's going to force China to the bargaining table. This is a pretty tough proposal that's come out this morning.
And who does it wind up standing? What areas of China will it wind up hurting the most, and what kind of leverage does that wind up giving Mr. Trump?
Well, I think he wants leverage on technology, on intellectual property, on U.S. banking and insurance companies getting into China. There are a lot of issues where we want satisfaction. The one thing that Congress wants is a crackdown on the Chinese thievery of all of our intellectual property.
So where does that leave ZTE then?
Where does that leave what?
ZTE.
Oh, I think there will be a deal there, and Marco Rubio doesn't like it. He doesn't want to deal with any of these communication companies, but I do think there's a separate side deal that will resolve that issue.
So when Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross is going to meet with officials in Beijing in early June to sort of continue these trade talks, what can Wilbur Ross offer them to change the conversation?
I think he will offer them maybe more access for the communication companies. That's something China wants, but you've got a big chunk of members of Congress who say no. So that's going to be a difficult issue.